Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining today's class. Today, we're considering calculation on arithmetic progression, dealing with the third term and the ninth term. And we are going to be making use of the n term formula, which goes thus: t subscript n, which is t subscript n equals a plus open bracket n minus 1, close the bracket, and put small letter d by the side at the back. T subscript n stands for the n term. A stand for the small letter A stand for the first term, N stand for the number of terms, while small letter D stand for the common difference. We are going to use the N term formula because what you are having in the question is in terms expression. At it being we have sum, any statement that deal with sum, that means that we're going to make use of sum formula likewise. Okay? But now we're concentrating on the t number of terms, which is t so n equals a plus open bracket n minus 1 close the bracket d. And the question says the third term of an arithmetic progression is 4n minus 2n. That's a t3 first. Let's substitute into the general equation. Equals to a plus 3 minus 1 close the bracket d is equals to a plus 3 minus 1, that's 2, plus 2d. Let's now interpret the equation. Third term also, T3 equals 4m minus 2n. And let's equate the two expressions, but they're both third term. Now in A, let's call equation 1 and 2 so that you easily understand it. Equates equation 1 and equation 2. The reason why we do that is because they are both third term. Now a plus 2d equals 4m minus 2n. Let's call this equation 3. If the ninth term of the progression is 2m minus 8n, now let's substitute into the formula likewise. T9 equals a plus 9 minus 1 close the bracket d equals a plus 8 minus 1, that's 8, 8d, that's equation 4. Now let's see what's being equated to. T9 equals 2m minus 8n, that's equation 5. Let's see, equate equation equate equation 4 and equation 5 together. We are going to equate because they are both T9, T9. Now a plus 8d equals 2m minus 8n. Let's call this equation 6. Equation 6. Now at this junction, let's bring equation 3 and 6 together. Equation 3 is a plus 2d equals 4m minus 2n. And equation 6 is as equation 3. And equation 6 is a plus 8d equals 2m minus 8n. Equation 6. Now say subtract equation 6 from equation 3. Subtract equation 6 from equation 3. Now let's do that. It'll be a minus a plus 2d, put negative in between, plus 2d minus 8d, 2d minus 8d equals to 4m minus 2m minus 2n minus 8n. This one we use subtraction because we have to cancel one of the unknown at the left hand side so that we can cancel the unknown, which is letter a, which is the first term, so that we can look for our common difference. Okay, now a cancel a, 2d minus 8d, that's minus 6d equals 4m minus 2m, that is 2m minus 2n, negative and negative, that's positive, plus 8n minus 6d equals 2m minus 2n plus 8n, that's plus 6n. Divide both sides by minus 6 so that you can get our common difference. Divide both sides by minus 6. That will minus 6d over minus 6 equals 2m plus 6n divided by minus 6. Minus 6 cancel minus 6. Let's factorize 2 out, which is 2 into m plus 3n over minus 6. Okay, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. Our d now, which is a common difference, equals minus 1 over 3, open bracket, m plus 3n. That brings us to the end of the class. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates, and also don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thanks for listening. See you in the next class. Have a blessed day.